we want to look at how we can navigate. How can we navigate CapCut for our book cover? So this is just a little intro on how you can navigate your way around CapCut. So this is the CapCut app. When you open this CapCut app, the first thing you want to do is this plus sign. Okay, you have this plus sign. So you have the plus sign you want to use here, right? This is your plus sign, this sign here. Okay, this is what you want to use first. So irrespective of your book, whether it is 6 by 9, 8.5 by 11, if you are doing a cookbook, right? So you want to click on this. Now when you click on this plus sign, the next thing you want to take note of is your custom size. Okay, you can see this thing called custom size. Custom size. See custom size here. This is the next thing you want to check on. Right now, you're going to click on your custom size. When you click on your custom size, the next thing you want to work on now is the unit. Okay, you check on the unit and change it to inches. When you click on it, you go to inches, IN, which is the inches, right? So if you are doing something like biography book, self-help book, those kind of books, here is going to be 6, then here is going to be 9. So this is 6 by 9. So you click on create design, right? You wait, depending on how fast your network is. So this is your book cover, the front cover design, which is also used for your Kindle when you want to publish on Amazon. Okay, so depending on what you want to do with design, you can use elements. Maybe you want to do a design about something, I don't know, you can pick element, depends on what you want to do. There are already custom designs, and there are design you need to start from scratch. Let's say I want to talk about mental health. Let me search on it for it. Mental health, right? Mental health. Let me just search for that. So there are already pre-existing template on ground that you can choose to use. Okay, so if you want to design a book, you have style, right? Or majorly is template. You don't want to stress yourself. You want to carry an already made template you use. Let me just pick this example now. For example, how to build a business of your dream. Let me click this one and see if I can pick a template here and use. So I'll click on so this is a book cover. Assuming this is a book cover. Now I applied, or let me go back. So this is our initial design. So we'll click on the design, right? And now choose this is 5 pages. I don't want to use the 5 pages, I just want to do example. So I'll click on this, only the first one. This is what I want. So this is a template. So you can now go and start working on it. Maybe you want to change it, you click on it, come to edit, right? Change the font and all that, right? Depending on the position of what you want. Okay, so if it's a book now, I need to take some of these things out because they are not necessary. Let's say I want to use this now as a book. So these are ways I can just navigate my way through CapCut, right? So let's say this is a book title, How to Build the Business of Your Dream. So this place will be your pen name. You have because in the book cover you have your book title, the book subtitle, and the pen name or the author name, also known as the studio name. what musician will call stage names, right? So this is my book cover, right? So if I'm done, let's say I'm satisfied with this design, I'll click on this arrow at the top here. I'll click at this arrow at the top here. This one, this is what I'll use to download, right? This is what I'll use to download. I will now click on it. So I'll click on it, right? Now I'm going to click on download. Now your file type is going to be in JPEG, JPG. That's all you need to do. Then you click here and download it. So your book cover design have been downloaded. Then you just wait. So, and that's cool, right? So this your book cover design is now downloaded in your gallery. Now assuming your book is, let's say, 100 page, you want to calculate the back cover design, right? You know, this is now your paperback or even hardcover. So what you are going to do now, you first of all need to go and calculate the dimension of your book, which will be done in with an KDP cover calculator. Specifically, you want to publish this book on Amazon. So you go to your Chrome browser, right? You go to your Chrome browser and you do your calculation. You go to your Chrome browser, you now type KDP cover calculator. KDP cover calculator. You check on the first one, right? Then here you fill in the information. Your book binding type is paperback. That's the hard copy. When you publish on Amazon and the hard copy people buy, Amazon will print it and ship it to them. Interior type is going to be black and white, right? Then paper type is going to be white paper. You can decide to do cream paper, depends on your choice, right? Then you choose here. We have left to right. Always, all books written in English are always left to right. It's always left to right. Then we have measurement is in inches, right? Then trim size is 6 by 9. You click 6 by 9. No, that's not what I want. Click 6 by 9. Well, start again. Let's start all over again. So we have paperback. Then here we have black and white. Here we have white paper. Here is going to be always left to right. Measurement inches. Interior trim size, if it's cookbook for example, it's going to be 8.5 by 11. Then if it's normal book, we have a 6 by 9. Then we are assuming our interior page is 100. So when I type in 100, I'm just going to type any area of the screen. I'll just touch here. This calculate dimension will change to be yellow. Some people will tell you to go and download templates. I don't do that. I'll just click on calculate dimension. So once I calculate the dimension, this is your template. But what I focus on is the full cover, which is 12.475 by 9.25. If you are doing a 6 by 9 book dimension, the height is always the same, which is 9.25, but the width will vary depending on the number of the pages of your interior. So what I'll take note of this number, 12.475 by 9.25. I will now go to my Canva app. When I go back to my Canva app, I'll just click on this. Since I minimized, I didn't go out. I'll click on this, right? I'll click on this. Then I'll click on it. Then I will click on create a design, right? When we click on create a design, I'll go to my custom size again. Click on custom size, right? Change my units to inches. The unit currently is in pixels. Change it to inches. Then the width is going to be 12.475 by 9.25, right? Then you now click on create design, create a new design. right? So this is the interface, both the front and the back cover of your book. Now what you want to do, you go to your gallery, because you've downloaded the front cover already, right? You've downloaded the front cover already, so you go to your gallery and wait. Just click check on gallery. Then this is the book we downloaded initially. Then we'll click, tap on it, then we'll click on add page. Now this margin line, you can see there is a margin line on my book. That means what I'm going to do is that I will ensure that my write-up doesn't exceed the margin line. So you just carry your book, come to the edge here, right? Then extend. Make sure the write-up is within the margin lines to avoid issues when publishing on Amazon. Now you position it carefully, right? When you position it carefully, this other side, you just click on this color. Look at color down here. I'll click on color, click on the pencil icon, then I'll come and click on the pencil here again. Then I'll just move it to an area the way I want it to be. Then I'll click on done. So you see we have our book cover ready. So this other side, if you want to do a write-up about the author, about the book, whatever, you put it there, right? So these are free information I'm giving you. If you want me to mentor you on how to successfully publish your book on Amazon, reach out to me via the number on the screen or through the link in the comment section, and I'll guide you on how to do this successfully. So what you need to do now, you're going to download this. So you click on this icon, right? Then we'll click on it. This time around we're going to be downloading it in another format. We'll change the PNG to PDF print, right? Then the color profile will change also to CMYK. Note that this is Canva Pro. I'm using the Pro version of Canva. Then I'll click on download. Then we'll wait. You have successfully downloaded your back cover of your PDF, right? So reach out to me for mentorship and you'll be glad. You'll see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you.